Alright, it's raining like harder than I've ever seen it rain since I've lived here. And there's a little tributary that runs a long way down this hill. And I think it's gotten so bad with the rain. It's been raining like this for like 3 days, 2 or 3 days now. I think that it's risen so high that we can't even get out of our neighborhood right now because it's at the lowest point. But I think the water, yeah, good gosh. Alright, this is bad. This trail is usually like bone dry, and it's more like a little stream right now. We're coming up on where this water is going to be getting, yeah, I can't even walk in here, man. Oh my god. Oh, I want to just get a shot of that stream, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get back that far. You can hear it, but we ain't going to be able to see it. Wow. This is just really bad. Holy crap. Yeah. This is just all underwater. Get back there. Shit. Hang on, maybe we can shoot across. So I'm getting soaked, man. Man, scared to walk in the woods though. Oh yeah, there it is. Holy crap. Whoa. I don't know if you can see this or not. That's usually maybe 8 or 10 inches deep, and it's just unbelievable. I'm going to try to get closer to it. Ow! That's a sticker bush, yep. Alright, yeah, whoa! Alright, cool, I can get us down. Check this out. Holy crap! Whoa! I gotta be careful here. Wow. This is just totally engulfed. A whole section of the woods. Here you go. This will give you a better idea. You usually walk down that path and over to that fallen tree, and over at the end of that fallen tree, actually way over at the end, it drops down again, and then there's actually where the ditch is, which is a good 5 or 6 feet deep and 9 or 10 feet wide. But like I said, it usually has 8 or 12 inches of water in it at the most, and it has entirely overflowed its banks. That is amazing. I cannot believe how much water there is coming through here. This is unbelievable. Oh man. I can't get any closer because I'll actually fall in to the stuff, and I got my good shoes on, so you can see the rain, man. It is just raining. Raining, raining, raining. It's been raining like this for days. I gotta get out of here. I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes. Crap. better have a shot of this real quick. Holy cow. Whoa. This is obviously dry, just wide open area where deer come and graze. Now it's completely flooded. Unreal. We'll have to walk. Thank God our house is up on top of this big hill up here. And we have to walk all the way back up. Whoa. I don't even know. I haven't even really been down here very many times. Oh, wow. It's like a tropical rainforest in here. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Well, something obviously lives in there and my camera's dying. This isn't good. I gotta get the hell out of here. My camera's getting all wet. Shit.